Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the sunken key in Abyss Roblox. So if you're stuck staring at those locked treasure chests at the bottom of the oceans, and then you need the sunken key. So this rare item is the only way to access the high title loot hidden in the sunken vaults. And here I'm going to show you the fastest way to find this key. So to find this key, you need to finish some quests on mission. So first, you need to find Arthur. So you can just go out from the spawn in here and go to the right, and you'll see the Arthur NPC. This one. So you can start the quest by interacting with him by clicking on this "Do you need help?" and after that Arthur will ask you to find him his backpack, his harpoon, and also his tube. And after that you need to find three monkeys that monkey thief that hold his tube, harpoon, and also his backpack. So the first monkey can be found in here. You can see the lantern in here. The first monkey is located in here. So I've already finished it, so the monkey is gone. This is the first monkey, and the second monkey can be found on this tree right here. And the third one, and for the mini quest from the monkey thieves, you just need to catch some fish like the fish with banana mutations, and also you need to also bring bananas and give it to the monkey. And also you need to catch this fish right here. So you can just finish the three mini quests. After that you can go back to Arthur and give him his backpack, his harpoon, and also his tube. And after that Arthur will give you the key. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.